You're using fake names and tricks to trick people. There is no car, no company.
Sir, Mr. Michael, this is enough. You hurt me right now.
Hurt? Seriously? You scammed Mr. Thompson last night using the same tactics you're trying on me now.
Sir, I don't understand what you're saying.
Don't act innocent. You told me. You've won a big car, right? Same thing you said to Mr. Thompson last night.
Sir, this is an official prize call from ST Lucky Draw Center. Your number was randomly selected.
Yeah. And now you're asking for $250 for taxes and registration, right? Same fake script.
Sir, please. This is a genuine offer. Once you pay, we'll deliver the prize and documents within 48 hours.
You're using fake names and tricks to trick people. There is no car, no company.
Sir, please don't accuse me. I'm just doing my job.
This is a scam. Everyone needs to hear this.
Sir, wait.
I am sending your number to authorities. Don't call anyone else. You are a scammer. This is a scam.